Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing everyone how to replace the rear brake light on my 2010 Honda Odyssey minivan. This is the one that will be replaced today. This one still works. We still got light action in here. This one, no bulb. Well, there is a bulb, it's just not working. So we are going to replace it with this bulb that I picked up from O'Reilly's Auto Parts. We are going to be removing this taillight to get to the bulb, and to do that we are going to use this screwdriver. And now this will remove the little door. Right here, this little door. This one was already gone when I bought my car. Now we need a Phillips screwdriver, which mine does both. This was my dad's, and it actually belonged to his father, so it's really precious to have this. So we're going to use this to screw out the screws so we can pop out the taillight now. So just like this, you guys. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Very easy, as you can see. Let's do the second one.
Oh, there we go. Come on, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. There we go. All right.
Don't lose these. I am going to take off the taillight now, and this part gives people a little bit of trouble. So I'm very gently going to do it. If this doesn't work, I have a trick. There's a little pin back here. That's the part people have problems with getting it pulled out. So like I said, if it doesn't work, I'm going to do my little trick. Now, we cannot afford to have this crack. Alright, it's being tricky. I'm going to have to do my trick. I'm using the screwdriver on the flathead side, and I'm taking this little handkerchief so I don't break my light, and we're going to go like this, guys. I put it right here, and we're going to use this to help guide and push it out so that little pin doesn't get stuck. Ooh, just like that, guys, it's out. So I just want you to see, this is that little pin that gave me trouble opening the taillight. But that's why we do the little trick. All we're going to do is twist and pull this one out. It is the top one. So ready, guys? Very easy. 1, 2, 3. And it's out. Hello. This is our new replacement bulb. Like I said, I got it at O'Reilly's Auto Parts. It was only $8. We're going to use this one to replace this light. And now we are going to test it to see if it works. Oh wow, we got light. Let there be light. Wow, pretty. Alright, let's put this bad boy back together. So now I'm going to put the new bulb back in where it belongs. And again, it's just a simple quick turn and twist. Push it in. You'll feel it. There's like a little lock to it. Let me line it up right. Clicked in. Easy as can be. I am going to be pushing this back in. That's in. Awesome. Perfect. I'm going to put the little screws back on the door so my taillight doesn't fall off when I'm driving down the road. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Let's get this top one started. Those are in. Like I said, I only had one little door. One was missing when I bought it, so I'm just going to pop back in my little door. So now that's in. Hit the brakes. We got lights. Alright guys, you just watched me replace my brake light in my 2010 Honda Odyssey minivan. This saved me some money, and I don't have to go to my mechanic now. All that cost me was $8 from O'Reilly's Auto Parts, and I don't know, less than 5 minutes of my time. Really, this was very simple, very easy, very fast. It took me virtually no time. It took me longer to film this thing than it did to replace the light. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Bye guys!